Hello guys, today we will see what is meant by boundary value analysis in the test case design techniques. So boundary value analysis, we call it as BVA. See normally how this boundary value analysis technique will be used in our application, in our testing. I will explain you in a simple way. See normally you will be having registration forms, right? The registration forms or application. Forms or pages. What will say? Name field will be there. Address field will be there, and enter age field. So these fields will be there. Normally you will be seeing in regular applications. Okay. Now for that so there will be some mandatory fields, right? Suppose with a star they will define as a mandatory fields. Allow digits from 18 to 35 years. Okay. Like, so they will provide some information. Means this field, whatever they have designed, this field should accept in between 18 to 35 years. 18 to 35 years people, it should accept. If you are entering above 35 or below 35, it should give some error. Okay, it allows. This is the meaning. This should accept 18 to 35 years of age in this field. Okay. Now this is our registration form. Now in our application or in testing, how we are going to use boundary value analysis technique here for this field. I will explain you for this field. Okay. So what is the definition of boundary value analysis? To check the boundaries of the field or input. Okay, this is the input field, right? So now for this field, I am using boundary value analysis technique to solve this, to test this field. Now here enter age, it is telling, they are telling 18 to 35 years age. It should satisfy or it should accept. So first my boundary, what is the minimum boundary value I will take? Minimum 18. So when I enter 18, it is pass. It is accepting 18. So what is the maximum boundary I am taking? 35. So this is also pass. Okay, so this is one condition. Okay, now here 18, right? Now minimum value I am taking, it is 17. When I enter 17, it will say that allow characters in between 18 to 35. So it is a fail. Okay, here maximum character, what I can apply, or maximum or minimum, we can apply minimum. Okay, I can apply minimum only here. Okay, 34. It's a pass. So it is below 35, right? It is a pass. It is this field will accept this boundary value. Boundary value means nearest value. So 18 nearest values. What are the 18 nearest values? If I do 1 minus, it will be 17. If I do 1 plus, it will be 19. For 35, nearest boundary values means 1 is 34. If I do minus, if I do plus, 1 is 36. So now, what is the maximum value I am taking? 18. So it is within the 18, right? 18, 19, I will be taking 19. It is a pass condition. What is the maximum value I am taking here? 36. It is a fail condition. So we are checking the boundaries, nearest boundaries value, nearest boundaries of the given value. For 18, it is 16, 19 you can check. For 35, you can check 34, 36. So here it is accepting one fail condition. Here it is accepting one fail condition. So this is how you can segregate the boundary value analysis. Nearest values you can take, you can test the age field. I hope this is very helpful for you guys. I hope you understand. Thank you.